Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom, and I love frosted cakes. I like the frosting even more than the cake. And I'm one of those people that plans my place in line at a buffet to get the corner piece. I really love cake, but I shouldn't eat an entire cake all by myself. Wouldn't you agree? I don't think anybody should do that. So I decided I had this beautiful domed cake platter, and I decided I wanted to put something in there that could just stay in there. You can't put a real cake or real food because it'll go bad. I thought, I'll make a fake cake. So I'm going to show you how to make a fake cake today. And you know what? You can use a fake cake for lots of occasions, just for decor, even as a funny gag gift for somebody. But what you do is, first you go to a dollar store and you buy a bucket for $1. This is so inexpensive to make. Then you get another bucket from the hardware store of drywall joint compound, and I'll show you what it's like, because you need to see this. And I even use an actual cake spreader, frosting spreader, because it washes off. It's not like this dries instantly. So here's what it looks like. It's just like icing. Just like, I'm going to show you, just like frosting. Now that's going to wash right off my fingers, no problem. So then you frost the cake any way you like. You can use, as I did on the top, I used a little star point decorator one to just make swirly roses, but you can do whatever you want. You can put sprinkles on it, glitter, you can pile nuts on the side. And it doesn't weigh very much because it's a hollow bucket. Oh, I meant to tell you, you've got to seal the top of the bucket because otherwise you have no top. And what I did there is I just cut out a piece of plastic that measured about 8.5 inches in diameter, and I hot glued that on first. Then I put a coat of joint compound on, let it dry for 24 hours, and then I did the actual decorating and let that dry for another 24 to 48 hours, and you're done. And now I have a fun little cake I can display. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends to subscribe. And be sure to visit jonihilton.com, my website. Buy my books. We'll see you next time.